do. Oh, hi, we're Nintendo. Guess what? We get something for you to do.
Yeah.
All those iPads and iPhones and all that stuff that you're playing on, just chuck it in a drawer because we got the Fortnite Special Edition Nintendo Switch for this holiday season.
Yeah.
Pick up where you left off, go back to your favorite game, and forget about the fruit company.
Yeah. Have it on the go, too.
That's what Nintendo's saying. Well, and have a controller.
Yeah.
I mean,
You want precision.
I tell you what. Controller, if you haven't experienced it before, it's kind of a superior input method. I'm a big controller. I love a controller.
Yeah. We don't need these thumbs.
I was doing the Avengers last night on the controller.
Fat fingers. Yeah.
I was who was I? I was Iron Man. With the early suit. It was just like some boots, and it was like Gen 1 suit because I don't want to spoil anything, but I'm in that type of suit, but I'm still flying and I still got the
lasers.
I still got stuff going on, and I had a controller for that. So,
all right.
Listen to this. The bundle includes yellow and blue Joy-Cons, the latter with the battle bus etched around the home button, and a dock that features various well-known Fortnite skins. The Switch tablet itself also has characters on the back. Fortnite is pre-installed on this Switch, and the package includes 2,000 V-Bucks plus exclusive cosmetic items. You know the kids are going to go nuts for that thing. Mm-hmm. You know how the Christmas lists and the Hanukkah lists and everything? All the lists.
Yeah.
Whichever list you have. I don't know if they do a list. I don't know who does a list. But anyway, I don't know where the lists are.
Uh-huh.
But if there's a list, this is going to be on it for those kids because for whatever reason, they love the Fortnite, man. They figured out how to tap into the youngsters' dopamine receptors. No, not just the youngsters. I mean, obviously it's a wildly popular game. But anyways, I love this type of collab is just so smart, and especially on the back of the conflict with Apple. Mm-hmm. You do the limited custom edition, so it gives it a little extra flair. You do the V-Bucks in the game. You have the game pre-installed. You have the exclusive skins. It's so many things merging together and molding, and it's hard to make these deals. You got to have meetings. Sweeney's got to get on the flight. You got to go to Japan.
Lots of approvals.
They got to, well, maybe they don't go to, maybe it's just Zoom and Skype and Teams and all this stuff. But either way, it's a lot of time and agreements, and people have to look at the paperwork, and then they put it together and they get it done. Now, Apple has to be looking at stuff like this and saying, maybe we should sort it out. I don't know. Probably not, because it's not really their style. They're like, no, you got to do what we tell you to do.